talk about timing, because Macron is facing just an incredible domestic crisis right now.
We absolutely have to talk about this political earthquake in France.
The new Prime Minister, Sebastian Ledec, he resigned less than 24 hours after announcing his new cabinet.
Less than a day, because of parliamentary criticism.
Immediate, crushing criticism from Parliament. He couldn't even get started. It's got to be some kind of record for instability, even for French politics.
France has burned through 5 prime ministers in under 2 years. Not badly.
Pretty badly. The French stock exchange dropped almost 2%. Interest rates on French government bonds, basically. The cost for France to borrow money jumped up sharply.
Okay, that's serious.
And the euro fell against the dollar. Plus, major French bank stocks like Sagan and BNP Paribas, they all took a nosedive. It was an immediate economic shockwave.